As you can see, this is the sticky rice. Then you have the chicken. Then you have this roasted. You have this toasted bread. Then you have the peanuts. You have the shredded chicken. Oh my god, this is so good. Then you have the egg. So we will be trying this now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you still remember my video about BUBUR Ayam? It was August 2019 when I tasted for the first time the BUBUR Ayam in Jakarta. It is like the arroz caldo of the Philippines, but it has more toppings. And it is so popular meal for breakfast in Indonesia. For this video, I will try to make my own version of BUBUR Ayam, and I hope you like it. So let's do this. BUBUR Ayam is a Chinese Indonesian chicken congee or porridge. It is a rice congee with shredded chicken meat served with some condiments such as chopped scallion, crispy fried shallot, celery, tong chai or the preserved salted vegetables, fried soybean, Chinese crullers or youtiao known as chakwe in Indonesia, and both salty and sweet soy sauce, and sometimes topped with yellow chicken broth and keropok, Indonesian style crackers. Unlike many other Indonesian dishes, it is not spicy. Sambal or chili paste is served separately. It is a favorite breakfast food served by humble traveling vendors or warung, fast food establishments, and 5-star hotel restaurants. Traveling BUBUR Ayam vendors frequently pass through residential streets in the morning selling the dish. Okay guys, so these are now my ingredients. So I have here 2 cups of rice. This is just an ordinary rice. Then I have here soy sauce, salt, pepper. This is fish sauce. Then I have here spring onions. Then this is Knorr cubes, chicken flavor. I have here the onions, the ginger, this garlic. Then of course the main ingredient is the chicken. So this is chicken meat. We will be shredding this later. Then for the toppings, I have here bread. Normally it should be the Chinese donut, so I just improvise my Chinese donut. So I'll be using a normal bread, but I will be toasting this one in the oven. I have also here peanuts or mani. Then this is keropok. So I chose this one because this is not salty, not that salty. Okay, those are my ingredients for my BUBUR Ayam. So let's prepare all of this. Okay guys, so this is boiling now, so I will start by adding first the chicken. So this is just about 1 liter of liquid. So I will be adding now the chicken. So we will be boiling this first, the chicken. Then I will add slices of ginger. Then cover. Okay guys, so I will be setting this to about 180 degrees Celsius, then toast this for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this is okay now. So set aside. So as you can see, it is perfectly toasted and perfectly golden brown. Okay guys, it's so important to wash the rice. So this is already washed before we saute this in the ginger, garlic, and onions. So as you can see, this is almost done now. So after this, we will set aside, then let this cool, then we will shred the chicken. Because we will be using that for our toppings later for our bubur ayam. So at this point, we need to transfer first this liquid to a separate bowl. Then we will now saute the garlic, onions, and ginger. Okay guys, I will put now some oil here. Okay, I will put now the onions first. And the garlic, but I will just be using the half of this because the half of the garlic is used for the topping, so I will fry this later. Just half. Okay, next would be the ginger. So after this, we will now be adding the rice. Give a stir. So once you mix evenly, we will now put back the soup. So our goal is to thicken this one, and as much as possible we will not able to feel the texture of the rice, the ordinary rice, so it should be so soft. So we will cover this now and let this simmer until it will thicken. Okay guys, so while waiting for our rice to cook, I will fry first my garlic for my toppings later. In my porridge, I will be adding some oil. Then add the garlic even the oil is not that hot, so that we can avoid the burning of the garlic. Okay guys, so this is okay now, set aside. Okay guys, it's important to stir this regularly. As you can see, it is now reducing, so we need to add more water. So as you can notice, I am not seasoning this yet because we are still adjusting the liquid and we are just finding first the proper consistency of our porridge or the bubur. So if that can be attained later, so that will be the time that I will be seasoning this porridge. So let this simmer. Little by little, we will be adding more water. As you can notice, the rice is not yet cooked. We will just wait for this to cook and thicken. At this point, I will be adding more water. Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting stickier. So I will be seasoning now my porridge. So I will start by adding the cubes, the chicken cubes. So after the cubes, I will be adding some fish sauce. Then some salt. You have there some salt. Then instead of black pepper, I will be using white pepper, but that black pepper will be used as I assemble my bubur ayam later in the bowl. So this is the white pepper. So make sure to taste this one. Then if it is not that salty yet, you may add some fish sauce or salt. So I think I will be adding a little bit fish sauce to this. Stir. This is almost done. So I think I will be adding one more glass of water. Okay guys, I guess this is okay now, so I will be getting some porridge and transfer it in the bowl. So I will be preparing 2 bowls of bubur ayam. Okay guys, so I will now be assembling my bubur ayam. So I will start first by adding some soy sauce. Just a bit of soy sauce. So this is the oil we used earlier while frying our garlic. So I will be adding a bit of this to the porridge. So next would be the krope or krupo. Then I will be adding first the black pepper. We have the toasted breads, the peanuts, these are the peanuts, then of course the chicken, then I will place 1 egg, a half of the egg, and next will be the spring onions, then lastly we have the fried garlic. Okay guys, so this is now my bubur ayam. As you can see, this is the sticky rice, then you have the chicken, then you have this roasted, you have this toasted bread, then you have the peanuts, you have the shredded chicken. Oh my god, this is so good. Then you have the egg. So we will be trying this now. Hey guys, so this is now my bubur ayam. Look at that. Smells good. So good. Okay guys, so I hope you learned something from this video on how to make bubur ayam, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notification. If you have comments, suggestions, or recommendations, you may write down in the comment section below. So see you in my next food trip. Bye bye. Good.